Yesterday, I tried this particular update on this video and the result was mind-blowing. So if you're out there and maybe after publishing a particular video, the video doesn't just perform well, or let's assume the video start performing well and all of a sudden the video view just drop, or you see something like this which says people aren't choosing to watch this video as often as some of your other videos, that simply means that the algorithm itself is actually telling you that this video is not performing well. So if you're experiencing this kind of things, then this update is something you need to go ahead and try it straight on your videos. So yesterday I made this video, that is, I uploaded this video yesterday, and to my greatest surprise, after almost 1 hour, like, this video performance was beyond my expectation. Like, the performance was so poor. Like, from the screen here you can see that this video, by ranking of views, this video came out 10/10 with 110 views. I took a screenshot of this video when it was still around 48 minutes. After 1 hour, this video was still struggling to get 120 views, which is unusual in my channel. Like, how will I post a video and after 1 hour from my main YouTube studio app I'm getting 115 views? That is really poor. So I went ahead and I did something, and after few hours, this was the beautiful result I got from this same video. Like, this same video, for ranking of view, increased to 6/10, and the view also skyrocketed. So every single thing that I'm going to be sharing with you right now is what I actually did that made this video to start generating views. So what I did was, immediately I came up to this video, I saw that the performance was very poor, and after 1 hour I got this particular notification that this video is not really performing well and my audience is not watching it. So I said to myself, but this video is something that my audience are searching for, which is how to get your 4,000 watch hour. What is it that I might have done wrong on this particular video? So I decided to go ahead to re-edit the whole video itself. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't mean the main video. Like, what I basically edited were the tags, the title, and the thumbnail. So the first thing I did was to change the thumbnail completely. Now, if you guys can see from the screen, this is the first initial thumbnail I used, and from the thumbnail you can see that, like, the ceremony was just too much. Like, it was just too much. So what I did was to go ahead to re-edit it. Like, I went back to my CapCut, because you all know that I use CapCut to edit my thumbnail. Maybe as time goes on I might actually be dropping a video on how to do thumbnail. If you are interested in that, you can still drop it in the comment section. Okay, so I went ahead to CapCut and I recreated new thumbnail, and this is it on the screen here. Now let's do a little compare. If you check out the two thumbnail, you see that one is actually straightforward, like one is direct, no much ceremony. But this other thumbnail, I realized that it was just too much and my audience might not resonate with it well. So after doing this thumbnail, the next thing I did was to go ahead to re-edit the title. Now, this was the initial title I used: fastest way to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, no live stream and no restream. I just looked at that this title might not really be resonating with my audience, and secondly, this title is not really what people can actually come to the YouTube search bar to search for. So what I did was, since my thumbnail was talking about a new trick for you to get your 4,000 watch hour, so what I now did was to follow my thumbnail, that is to edit the title into this particular title now, which I have on the screen, which is "do this now to get 4,000 watch hours fast." Like, then for this new trick I had to add latest updates with this emoji, like, to spike up the view. And guys, lo and behold, after doing this particular thing, the next thing I did was to move over to the tag section. Then I discovered that there were some irrelevant tags that ChatGPT actually suggested for me to use. So I went ahead, I removed all the irrelevant tags, then I made sure that I put the most important tag, especially tags speaking on how to get your 4,000 watch hour, YouTube growth, and a lot of them. So after I was able to do this particular thing, I went ahead and, okay, another thing I did was, initially I added this particular video to two playlists. So what I did now was I removed it from the two playlists and I added it to a single playlist. Guys, lo and behold, the magic that started happening. after I was done with this particular setting. As soon as I was done, I just went ahead to click on save. So right now I'm going to be displaying on the screen how you can actually re-edit a particular video on your channel. So what you just need to do is to go ahead, tap on that particular video, and up here you will see this pencil icon, you see this arrow icon, and you see this YouTube icon. Now what you just need to do is to go ahead and click on this pencil. So once you click on the pencil icon, you're going to see you're going to have access for you to be able to re-edit the whole video itself. Now if you want to change the thumbnail, go ahead and click on this particular picture here, and you will see this option of change. So just go ahead and click on the option. Once you click on this change option, it will take you directly to your gallery for you to choose a particular thumbnail. Now once you're done with that, the next thing you need to go ahead to do is to come over here, re-edit your title if possible. And also if you notice that your tags and your some other hashtag and setting is not correct, always go back there and change it. These are the new tags I use for the video. And that was all. So as soon as you're done with this whole thing, the next thing you need to do is to come up to this save option and save. Guys, it wasn't even up to like 20 minutes, like this video started generating massive views, and in less than 1 hour this video was over 280 views, and I was like, God. So this is to tell you that sometimes if you post a video and the video is not just performing well, it could simply mean that the title you use is not just resonating, and also the thumbnail you use might not just be resonating. So you have to go ahead and fix it. There's this particular creator, Danny Creator, that I used to watch, like he's among my mentor here, Danny Creator, and also the VidIQ. I noticed that once they upload a video, the thumbnail and the title I see on that video like some hours ago, the minute I come back to that same video, the thumbnails and the titles just suddenly change. And they keep doing this from time to time. And according to my research, I realized that sometimes re-editing a particular video that you upload can actually bring more views on the video. So this is me telling you now that each time you upload a video and sometimes the impression click-through rate is very low, or you get notifications like this, then what you just simply need to do is to go ahead and re-edit it. Yeah. So that was it after I re-edited this video, and this is what I have right now. So guys, sometimes you can as well try some of these tricks and some of these updates. Who knows, they might actually bring up a spike in your video. Like I've done it a couple of times on my videos, and the result I get afterwards is mind-blowing. So had it been I didn't actually do this little setting on this video, that is how this video would have just been like that on my channel, low views and the rest of them. So this is something you need to go ahead and try out. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please do well to go down to the comment section and drop a comment. Lastly, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yes, on this channel I share with you every single tip I use on growing my channel, like every single thing I've learned and have used on my channel that is working are basically what I will share with you. Okay, and lastly, do not forget to turn on that notification bell so that each time I bring video, you'll be the first person the algorithm will show you to. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.